This one, it say how to say hi in your language, but I'm gonna change it. How to count, right? Nuer numbers, right? We gonna start by putting 0. That is 0. We call it bang, bang. Okay, bang. 1, we call it kill. Okay, kill. 2, we say that rew, rew. 3, say diok, diok. 4, we say ngwan, ngwan. 5, we say that ditch, ditch, ditch. 6, we say that backkill. Okay, backkill. And then 7, we said barrow, barrow. And then 8, we say badek, badek. And then 9, we said then bangwan, bangwan. Then 10, like this, we say that well. Okay, bang, kill, rew, diok, ngwan, ditch, buckle, barrow, badek, bangwan, well. Okay, I believe you got it. Okay, this is the easy way of counting Nuer numbers, counting in Nuer. Bang, kel, rew, diok, ngwan, ditch, bakel, barrow, badek, bangwan, well. Bang, kel, rew, diok, ngwan, ditch, bakel, barrow, badek, bangwan, well. Thank you for your time. Please do not forget to leave a like and also drop your comment. Say what you want to learn.